Hi guys, it's Alex from AWC, and today we're going to be displaying to you the new AWC V2 product range. We've got the AWC Snow Foam, AWC Shampoo, and also the wheel and glass cleaner. We've also got our new drying towels and wheel brushes. We've been using these for about 3 to 4 years, and it's time to show you why you should be maintaining your vehicle with the AWC V2 product range. So the first part of the process is going to be cleaning the wheels. Now the best way to do this is going to be using AWC wheel cleaner. You're simply going to spray this on, not too much, but enough just to cover the full wheel and the rear barrel. And then we're going to jet wash this off, and it should remove around 80 to 85%. So now that we've done the initial pre-rinse, we're going to go into using the AWC wheel brush, which is a super soft, perfect bristle brush for the wheels. This can really get to the backs of the barrels to remove as much dirt as possible. So now the wheels are all washed, we're going to go into the first initial pre-wash stage for the paint. This car's generally got top surface dirt on. It has got a finest reserve ceramic coating completed by the team here at AWC. So you'll find that the beading is going to be incredible. We've got a glass coating too, so things are going to be super easy to maintain. I'm going to do a first initial pre-wash with just water, and then we're going to go into the AWC Snow Foam. So now we've done the initial rinse, we're going to go with AWC Snow Foam for the pre-wash. Dilution rates are up to 1 to 10, but I'm going to go 1 to 5 for a super thick foam. So we've left the AWC Snow Foam on the paint for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's quite warm today, very humid, so that contact time is perfect to give it enough time to bring all the dirt off the paint. We're now going to rinse this off, and then we're going to hit it again with the second layer of snow foam to add some lubrication when we do our 2-bucket method wash. So we've now applied the second layer of snow foam. Like I mentioned before, this just adds a bit more lubrication for when you do a 2-bucket method wash. We've got just water in the rinse bucket, and then we've got a wash mitt and obviously AWC shampoo in the wash bucket. So you need about 2 to 3 capfuls of this, but we just pour it direct in. I'll then jet wash this up just so it's got plenty of suds, and we can start washing this BMW M2. So now that we've done all the washing on the vehicle, we need to obviously safely remove as much water as possible. We're going to use the Micro Max drying towels. These are available on the AWC store. Super lightweight, and they're a mix between a chamois and a microfiber. Again, we've been using these for years. We did used to use big drying towels, but we found they got a bit too clogged up and heavy. So if you want a lightweight option that doesn't scratch or mar paintwork, these are fantastic. So now we're going to finish off with AWC glass cleaner. It's an alcohol-based glass cleaner, which means that it offers a streakless finish. We're going to be using a standard microfiber towel, and it's as simple as spraying a few dots onto a microfiber, one onto the glass. Simply wipe it in, turn the cloth, and you can buff off. That's how you clean a BMW M2 using the AWC V2 product range. If you're interested in purchasing any of our full car care kits, they're available at www.awccardetailing.co.uk.